Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Code Freely. Today we will learn if-else statement in Python. If-else statements are very important in Python, and this statement is used to decide either two things are equal or not equal, greater, not greater or less, or we decide by equating the two variables in Python. So let's do some practical with our Python Jupyter notebook. First we open new file and for example we have two variables. For example, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 5. So we check and see how the Python give the result for comparing these two variables. If a is greater than b, then this line will be printed if this statement is true. So here a is greater than b. So if this is not true, then our next statement will be printed, which is b is greater than a. So here in fact b is greater than a because b is 5, a is 4. So this line will be printed because this statement is true. So we can see that this statement is true because b is 5 and a is 4. And for example, if we change this, if a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 5, then here this will be true and this statement will be printed. So a is greater than b, so this statement is true. So let's see that how we mention if else. So in Python we always use indent by placing two spaces after the first if statement, because in JavaScript and other languages we use curly bracket, but in Python we use indent, Indent is like a protocol or using method to write our statement. So here if we write if and then we write the statement like a is greater than b, and then we write colon, and then we give two spaces, and we print or take other statement, and then this is called a block of code. So here the second line, this is part of this statement. This line is associated with this above statement, and this line is associated with this statement. So if this is the true, then this line will be printed, and if this is not true, then it will jump automatically to the next statement, which is else. So this will be true. So at a time one statement will be true. It cannot be happen that both are true. This is not in any programming language. So this is the basic concept in the Python, and Python is very simple language. So here we can see that a is equal to 6, b is equal to 5. So here the statement say that a is greater than b. Here 6 is greater than 5. So this will be printed. This is true and this is false. If we make this statement false, then we change this to 8. Now this statement will be false because a is not greater than b, because b is greater than a. So b is greater than a. So like this we decide and we execute our conditions in Python. So in our next video we will see some more examples, and also in our further videos we will see how we can take user input and utilize in our Python coding. So keep watching my channel, and if you like this channel, you subscribe